5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, this is a measure which we think is being rushed through the House in an atmosphere of mystery. Even the honorable member who has been associated with the Public Accounts Committee for such a long time and who is now the present chairman of the PAC has put forward his views very eloquently to tell us how this is a matter of great complexity and is sought to be rushed through without proper details being made available to the members of parliament. Why this attitude is being taken by the government? Suddenly, after so many years, government feels one night that they must have audit separated from accounts and promulgate an ordinance. Thus, legislation by ordinance has become almost the order of the day. This discloses an attitude of taking the parliament for granted in every vital matters. Of course, this is an important bill which need not be opposed from political point of view, and it is an important piece of legislation, but this is sought to be placed before the House. They think they can pass any legislation they like so long as the present composition continues, and they need not take parliament into confidence. This is our basic charge. We are being asked to give our thoughts to a piece of legislation which requires very thorough study. The minister may be happy with the bureaucratic advice he receives. They do not realize what its full implications are. They are quite satisfied with the bureaucratic advice they get. We want to know the real objective separating audit from accounts or accounts from audit and come out with an ordinance and come up to the House with something which has been accomplished as it were, and then say, you please give your formal assent to it, and so on. Sir, we object to it on principle. Rushing through measures such as these is not a correct thing to do. There have been sustained attempts going on to bring down all edifices in the national life of our country. Even in the governmental functioning of the country, we are objecting to this on principle. This is a matter which should have been conceived on proper considerations. Parliament should have been taken into confidence in much greater detail about its full implications, being the highest body as such.